Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Okay, want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Chariot. Okay, someone here is very determined in this direction, in this situation, very determined to do something about the situation. It's like, I'm not going to see the negatives or positive. This is someone who feels like they should do something about it and they're very determined. Okay, let me clarify the Chariot here. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so we have the Justice, the Ten of Cups, and the Fool card. Okay, Scorpio, this is someone who feels like they should come forward towards you and make this connection work out, no matter how many obstacles and challenges are there in the situation. Somebody is very determined to make things right between you and them. Somebody is feeling like now they should do justice with the situation, and now they feel like taking the leap of faith, like in this direction, or you can say taking the risk of coming towards you and making this work out between you and them. Now, according to them, this is the justice. According to them, this is the thing that they should do definitely, and they feel like very much determined, very much pumped up. Like, no matter what, I feel like I should do it. Okay, I should give justice to Scorpio. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the King of Pentacles. So, Scorpio, from your side, you feel like you should just remain in a very stable, very down to earth, very mature and grounded kind of energy, and you don't feel like rushing towards anything or anyone or creating any kind of mess or chasing. Let me clarify the King of Pentacles here. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. See, you just feel like you should just wait and watch and let it unfold the way it should. You are refraining from taking any kind of action from your side, and or you're refraining from any kind of giving any kind of reaction to the situation. You're just trying to balance your own energies. You're just trying to sit in your power and do your own thing, and you are in this energy of, okay, let it unfold the way it should, let it happen, and let me just focus on my own energies. Very good. Actually, very fantastic energy from your side. You're just trying to balance your own energies and trying to be in this energy of whatever is meant for me will come to me eventually. I don't have to run or rush or do anything about it. Like right now, chasing, not chasing kind of energy. Let's see what this person, sorry, wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Seven of Pentacles. See, their intention is to just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Just wait for the time when something is going to come to fruition, when they will be able to do something about in this situation. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Eight of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Seven of Cups. Yeah, there is a lot of confusion going on. There is a lot of things that are not very clear between you guys right now. There is a lot of emotional confusion. There is a lot of ifs and buts and this and that in the situation. So they want to come forward towards you with when everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys, when there is nothing that is going to remain apart from love, apart from the soulmate kind of dynamic. So they just want to wait for the right time when they will be able to come forward towards you with the correct kind of energy, with a soulmate kind of energy, with just a loving heart, with just a loving and nurturing and caring kind of heart. Soulmate dynamic. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Emperor. So from your side, you just want to, again, you are just giving me the same kind of energy of in your feelings, in your intentions. You just want to sit in your power. You just want to do your own thing. You just want to protect yourself from being used or abused again. You don't want to be a part of any kind of drama or game anymore. Let's clarify the Emperor here. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Lovers. Yeah, you just want to just wait and watch and listen to your intuition, and you are intuitively calling your soulmate. You're intuitively calling the person that's actually meant for you. But you don't want to chase, you don't want to run, you don't want to be in anxious state of mind, you don't want to be in this energy of, oh my god, where is my soulmate, where is my soulmate, where is this person, why they are not connecting, why they are not doing this and that. You just want to practice silence, and in this silence you just want to work on yourself, and you just want to do things the right way. Hmm? Very good, very good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 6th of April, Scorpio. We have the Six of Swords. So you are moving on towards calmer water. There is a sense of letting go of the past baggages and moving on towards peace, happiness. Okay. Basically, just choosing peace over chaos and conflict. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here. We have the Seven of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Moon card. Yeah, you are refusing to participate in anything that is going to that is giving you any kind of disappointment, or making you scared, or making you feel like you're not good enough, or you don't deserve things, or making you feel like there is a secretive energy going on. There's no clarity, there is no energy of coming on the same page kind of a deal. So you are refusing to play this game with this person anymore, and you are kind of in this energy. If they are not coming towards you correctly, you are letting them go. You are not bothered about this person or this energy anymore. You are in this energy of, okay, whatever happened, I can't change it, but I know I can change my present so that my future is going to be peaceful. So you are choosing peace over chaos, you are choosing yourself over conflict, and you are refusing to play this game with this person, like, at all. You're like, I'm done, enough, I'm done. This time you're really done energetically also. For you, the guidance here is the Four of Pentacles. Even if you're done, even if you're moving ahead in your life, you might be holding on to some kind of anger or resentment, or some kind of not so good experience or experiences, and you might be taking it as your reality. It's not your reality, it was just an experience. Okay, honey. Scorpio, you need to keep on reminding yourself it was not your it's not your reality. It's just an experience that you had, so that you can move forward in your life. So now, like, whatever you're holding on to is going to become a limiting belief. Don't let this experience create a limiting belief in you, right? That's the deal here. Good, very good reading. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.